Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and in today's video we are going to be looking at the best deals for the week of October the 29th to November the 4th. We are shopping in store today and there's a lot of deals, including some 90% off clearance that I found. You could do me a huge kindness before we dive into these deals if you could give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up and subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel, completely free to do. You would be making my Sunday. So about a week and a half ago, I saw some other people on Instagram posting about this, and for whatever stupid reason, none of this was ringing up clearance price at my store. But then finally today it started showing up. I think it was probably a Saturday. So we have this exfoliant cleaner for $1.29, 90% off. The Daily Acne Cleanser, 90% off as well at 99 cents or $1.29. So you're looking for the specific Walgreens brand items. Check expiry dates too for this acne stuff. Lots of lotions and potions also part of this. And then we have this really beaten up petroleum jelly for 49 cents. So lots of this and lots of dry skin lotions. All of those were cleared from the store. But maybe you'll have better luck than I. But I know that this was happening kind of like different parts of the Midwest, like 2 weeks, in the last 2 weeks, but it wasn't happening here. But we finally caught up with the clearance, and this probably was marked down yesterday, which was a Saturday. The first deal that we're going to look at is with the Old Spice body wash, and I did not get a digital booster this week, so I did not do a large basket. I just did some basic deals. So I grabbed 2 of these body washes at $7.49 each. This digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 2, a little bit better deal than the Olay, so you're going to load this friend. Now, if you head over to your IBOTTA account, there's a rebate for $5 back when you buy 2, so please make sure you have this guy loaded, because it's such a great little deal, isn't it? So 2 of those body washes is $14.98. Subtracting the digital, and I also threw in a $5 P&G register reward that I had from last week. So I threw that in. So I paid $6.98, got back a $4 register reward, and $5 back from IBOTTA, making it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents per, not factoring in that $5 P&G register reward if you might not have it. And you can roll your Walgreens cash to earn that register reward for this one, but what a great little deal. Okay, the next deal is with some clearance Shea Moisture shampoo, conditioner, you name it. If it's on clearance, let's look at a deal. We're going to grab one for $11.49 and then a regular priced item at $15 and some change. This is a very expensive shampoo. So one clearance, one non-clearance, and it's a $10 register reward when you spend $25. Because the word spend is in there, you're going to have to pay for the balance. Sorry. But we're specifically looking for one on clearance and one not. And this moisture one has been on clearance at many stores around here. We have this digital, which is a 6 off of 2 for the hair care only. And for whatever stupid reason, the app this morning, I couldn't get the digitals to attach to items, but it was ringing up perfectly at the register. So just be mindful of that for the Old Spice and this. Like, it was just weird. So 2 of these shampoos, one on clearance, one not on clearance for $27.48. Subtracting the $6 digital with your debit card, pay $21.48. Get back a $10 register reward. Spend offer, so do not use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. And if you might have like a 7 back when you spend $25 that comes out of the Catalina machine, like one of those boosters, stack it on top of that for a much better deal. Now, I really wanted to use my $5 P&G register reward from last week on some native candy cane body wash. My store didn't have it, so I'm kind of out of luck. I'm going to have to go to a different store. But yeah, this is to buy 2, get $4 back in Walgreens cash this week. So I just have to find the right store and make that deal happen. But I wanted to try the peppermint body wash, but none for me so far. Okay, so we have a great promotion with the Venus and Gillette to buy 2, get $8 back in Walgreens cash or a register reward. Now, the $3 digitals did not appear. Will they appear later in the week? Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But just be mindful, I can't find them in the app. Maybe you'll have better luck than I as the week marches on. Okay, let's talk about this deal, which is the Head & Shoulders for $6. I did use one of those $5 P&G register reward that I got last week in this offer because you can. It's a P&G product. Let's also remember to always check the expiry date on these products because they do expire. There's some active ingredients in it. And it is to buy 2 of these products and get back a $4 register reward this week. Plus, we have a digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 2. So please make sure you have this guy loaded to make this deal happen. There's also a $2 digital, but this is the better of the 2. So grabbing 2 of these, that's 12 on the nose, guys. Subtracting the digital coupon, you're going to pay 9. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 5 for the 2, or $2.50 per head and shoulder. And if you have that $5 P&G register reward, throw it in and you are laughing. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as long as you're not doing this in concert with a booster. But what a deal to get some very inexpensive head and shoulders. Now we're looking at the pull-ups, 2 for $21, $4 reward when you buy 2 of these. This is also part of the deal of the week. So if you were going to do the head and shoulders in this, 2 separate transactions, just to note that. Now we have a $1 digital to go with this. And I had to search under the baby category to find it, but it's $1 off. Shopmium also has $1 back too for this product. And then IBOTTA is giving back $1.50 per bag, so you'll get back $3. Okay, so we are going to grab 2 of these pull-ups, whatever size you desire or need. That is $21 on the nose. Subtracting the 1 digital, you'll pay $20. Get back a $4 register reward. Photograph your receipt for that $1 back from the Shopmium app. Photograph your receipt again for $3 back from IBOTTA. So it makes it $12 for the 2 or $6 per bag. If you are doing this with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, exactly $20 if you might have it. And let's not forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. You might have an extra rebate or 2 on that app. And now we're looking at a deal for the Dawn Power Wash at $5.99. Look at the lemon one, $6.49. That's expensive. So for this promotion, we're just going to grab 1 at $5.99, so the cheapy one. Load this digital coupon, which is a $2 off. This is a very generous coupon. They usually don't give us $2 off coupons for the Dawn Power Wash. So basically, one of those for $5.99, subtracting the digital, you're paying $3.99. Use $4 in Walgreens cash if you might have it, if you're doing this deal without a booster. Now our best friend, the Colgate, this is $3.50. That's the specific price point we're looking for. We have this goofy digital coupon, which is a 4 off of 2. This appeared for me, I guess, last week because the expiry date started last week. So if you still have it, use it. $9 for the 2. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $3 register reward for buying 2 Colgate products. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this with no booster. It shakes it out to $1 per toothpaste. Now, you're either one of 2 types of people. You like the floss picks or you like old-fashioned floss. I am lazy, so I'm a floss pick kind of a girl. So I'm going to need to grab 3 of these for this promotion. And it's a $5 register reward when you purchase 3, which is very generous. So we're going to grab 3 for $15. But hang on to your hat for a second. We have this digital coupon that showed up, which is a 5 off of 3. Load this coupon because tomorrow for curbside, we have a free item with this coupon. Hint, hint, dropped. Grabbing 3 of these, that's $15 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $10. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 5 for the 3 or $1.66 per bag of flossers. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster. Now, this is a really superb deal of the week to grab 4 of these laundry care products by P&G, and it's 4 for $10. It used to be 4 for $9, but who knows? They rang up that, they jumped the price by $1, but it's still good to get these for $2.50. What is now included is this Gain softener. So if you are all about the Gain and you're like, I've never seen this, I love this for my towels, I hear you. Grab 4 of them and use $10 in Walgreens cash and call that a really good deal. And this softener hasn't been sold like this. It's usually, the Tide Simply pods and liquid, not this. So I'm happy to see that. Also, I was surprised to see this as part of the deal of the week. The Viva 6 count, and it's a newer type of cloth that they have. I don't like the one that's so sheer that they stick together. I like the one that's more like, it's got a bit of give and take to the paper. Yeah, I'm that person. These are $4.99 this week, so that's nothing to sneeze at. So, I'm probably going to go back and grab 4 of them and use 20 bucks in Walgreens cash. If you have a lot of pets, you know the value of this, but this one, the blue packaging where there's a bit of give to the paper, that's the one. If you just really want to burn through your Walgreens cash, their Christmas stuff is starting to show up. These gorgeous gift sets for $10 a pop. You can grab 1 or 2 or 5 and use some Walgreens cash and call that a deal. If you like to gift these, I know a lot of people love to gift these. I think last year at the end of Christmas, there wasn't a single one left at my Walgreens. Every last one was missing and purchased. Okay, before I take off, guys, I made a video yesterday, kind of a tutorial on some tips and tricks and how to have a lot of success over at Walgreens. A lot of you that are like, my register rewards don't print, I can't find clearance, this is annoying. I kind of take the biggest complaints that I hear week after week here and just unpack it. I'm going to link this video right here if you want to watch it. Lots of great information, very easy to follow. It's like a 5-minute video. And even if you're an experienced shopper, just stuff that I've learned in my, I think 12 years of couponing over at Walgreens. I don't even want to admit that, but lots of information for you guys. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.